In this video, we're going to talk about incorporating data from an outside source. This one's going to be a CSV file. So to access that, you open up your Excel file and you click on Data. And this will get you all sorts of different options. Over on the left-hand side, we want to choose Get Data. So you click that. And then there are many options that you can choose from. You will notice, if I close this out, that there are some little options here. I have the screen kind of small, so it's taken off the identifier, the lettering. So you can always get it from Get Data. If we want to do from file, and there's a variety of options. You can do it from file. We're going to do from text /CSV, and that will be the file that we're going to bring in. You will maneuver to the folder that it's in. This one's going to be the Chapter 9 PS1 mailing.csv. A CSV file has a variety of fields. Here, let me just open it up. Open. Oops, I got to select it first. Import. Might take a few moments for it to show up. This is how it's assuming it's going to come into the Power Query editor. You can see we have four different fields. So if we just clicked load, it would immediately go into Excel, and that's perfectly fine. But we want to do some work with this. We're going to do some cleanup. We're going to break apart full name. We're going to break apart address, and we're going to work with age. So we'll just click Transform Data. This is the Power Query editor. I made it big enough you can see. You should be able to see it. Let me just, there we go. Just center it in the screen area. As we're familiar with Excel, there are a variety of tabs along the top, and each of these tabs have a variety of options. If anything under Add Column, it will automatically add that feature, function, or whatever you are doing to the table. Under Transform will allow you to edit any columns. Over on the query settings, as we work things through, if there's something that we made a mistake, we didn't want to do it, we can always click the little X, and that just records what we have done. So the first thing we want to do is remove this ID, so make sure it's selected. You can click the field names and it will select your data. If you had a very large database, it's only going to show you 200 records, but when you tell it to put it into Excel, it will do the entire number of records, whatever that might be. So we want to delete this, so we can hit home and we can remove columns. If we want to, if we right click, we can also remove the column using this contextual menu. So we'll just remove that column. You'll notice over here in the query settings, there is that remove columns that we've just done. If I want to bring it back, in essence, I can just click this little X, and it basically undoes, and it provides the undo functionality. So we do want to delete that. So at this point, we have a variety of things that we can work with, and we will be covering these in a second video. So I'm going to stop this one and we'll continue that with the next one.